Hello, Crafty peeps. I am back. It's been a while, but I have an unboxing for you today. I placed an order from Gina K Designs, and it just came in today. I wanted to show you what I got. I picked up the 3D embossing folder bundle that Gina had on her site. I think I got the last one because as soon as I placed the order, I went back to look at something again and it said sold out. So I was pretty close to the last one. So here we have delicate butterflies with the stencils. Very nice. The embossing folder and the 3 dies. Oh, that's going to be so nice. Also comes with Blossom Trio. Same thing. Stencils. Embossing folder with the dies. And this floral burst embossing folder. These are very sturdy. They're a lot thicker than I thought they would be, so I'm definitely going to have to look and make sure I have the right sandwich. And I also picked up a Gina K pick and stick tool because the one I've been using has a silicone end which has sadly rubbed off and doesn't really work anymore. Believe it or not, I actually got this for free. I really encourage you to look for coupon code sites. You can get a coupon code tool bar plugin for your web browser, and that's what enabled me to get this because the coupon was $10 off and this was $9.99. So now I have a pick and stick tool to replace mine, and I am going to have a lot of fun with these embossing folders. Stay crafty, friends. Bye.